Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a hotel sambar at your home. So for this recipe, what you need, here I took big vessel and I added 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. When the oil becomes a little bit hot, we have to add the mustard seeds. So the first thing I'm adding is the mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds started spluttering, we have to add some cumin seeds. It gives a nice taste in this hotel sambar. And after adding this one, I'm going to add some methi seed, that is the fenugreek. So after adding the fenugreek, that is the methi seed, I'm going to add some onion. Here I have some chopped onion. I'm adding this one. And I'm adding both, so I'm going to add the shallot and this big onion, and I'm going to mix this one, and I'm going to add the baby shallot also into this. So here I added the shallot also, that is sambar onion, and it gives a nice taste. Can you see, guys? So this is the one. So we can add both the onions and we have to fry this one until it becomes light brown in color. So in the meanwhile, I'm going to cook the tur dal in the pressure cooker. So here I took half a cup of tur dal. I added 1.5 cup of water into this, and I'm going to add some haldi powder, that is the turmeric powder, into this. So here I'm adding some turmeric powder, and into this I'm going to add some pumpkin. So the pumpkin is a must for the hotel sambar, and you have to cook the pumpkin along with the tur dal in the pressure cooker, then only it gives a nice flavor in the sambar. So I added the pumpkin, can you see, in the tur dal, and I'm going to cook this one in the pressure cooker for up to 5 whistles. So it's time to add the powder. First thing I'm adding is the turmeric powder. So here I'm adding 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder into this, that is the haldi powder, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. So I added the turmeric powder, the red chili powder, and it's time to add some chopped tomatoes. So it's time to add some chopped tomatoes. It gives a nice color in the sambar, and I'm going to mix this one very well. So after adding tomatoes, we have to fry this one for 2 minutes. Then we have to add water. So I added 2 cups of water into this. I didn't add the tamarind water. I add only the plain water. I'm going to add the tamarind water in the last, and I'm going to cover this one with the lid. So it started boiling. Can you see? It's time to add the salt and the sambar powder. So it's time to add some sambar powder. So here I took 2 tablespoons of sambar powder. So this is homemade sambar powder, guys. In my next video I will show you how to make sambar powder at your home. So here I added 2 tablespoons of sambar powder and I added salt as per taste. So after adding the sambar powder, it has to boil for 2 minutes. So take a small size of tamarind and you have to put it in the water, and we are making the imli water, that is the tamarind water, the tamarind juice for the sambar. I'm going to add this one into this sambar. So after adding the tamarind juice into this, we have to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then we have to add the cooked tur dal. So my tur dal along with the pumpkin is nicely cooked. Can you see? And we have to mash this one, and I'm going to add this one into this sambar. So in another 2 to 3 minutes, my hotel sambar will be ready. And as you know guys, you can have this sambar with idli, dosa, pongal, vada, so many items. Today we are going to have this one with plain rice. And here I made that beans with the coconut veg for the lunch. So this is our lunch, the sambar, rice and the sabji. So in the hotel sambar, they usually add the good guys, the janggery. It gives the sweetness in the sambar. If you want to skip this one, you can skip. But it gives the nice taste in this hotel sambar. And my sambar is nicely cooked. I will show you guys. So can you see? Nicely cooked. Nice aroma guys. Nice aroma. So it's time to switch off the flame, and here I am adding a lot of coriander seeds, and you can add fresh curry leaves also. And my hotel sambar is ready. So this is a quick video of how to make a hotel sambar at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.